The cute red panda is a mammal that lives in trees and is natural to the forests of southwest China and the Himalayas. Raccoon-like face markings, bushy tail, and reddish-brown fur are the hallmarks of the red panda, which is roughly the size of a domestic cat. It is not closely related to the enormous panda, despite its name. Although their primary food source is bamboo, red pandas also consume fruits, berries, and tiny insects. They spend most of their time in trees and are expert climbers. Sadly, poaching and habitat loss have put them in danger, so conservation measures are essential.